48981. 25 Flagstaff Classic 826K STX. 2 left at this price. Length 2911. Not bad. Has a little outdoor kitchen. Not bad. I like it. Kind of connection like our Geo Pro, same one. And it looks like they have 2 slides close together. So that's a nice grab handle right there. Nice. I like it. I like the chairs. No bird collection. I like it. I love this. I love that breakfast nook right there. Yeah. I like where the TV's at. Kind of his own little nook. Ooh, let's go right here. Nice place to put your panels. And use this for extra space. Or a coat rack. I think I would use it as a coat rack. Depends on what Shelly wants. That's an access panel to somewhere. I'm not sure what. Let's go over here. But I don't mind it. I like them. I like these. Really deep. Yeah, you can benefit by putting a back shelf on there too, which I like. Trash can, nice. Silverware, that's the for the sponges. Silverware, oh, that's real nice. The cabinetry is from like Forest River, like a Geo Pro, so it's good quality, really nice. I like it. That should be. They should have a shelf there, I think. And the bathroom has a sliding door. Which is very nice. Bathroom's nice. Shower's nice. I like that for Shelly, because she can sit down. Nice. Nice. Oh, wardrobe. Nice. And a deep shelf. A lot of towels. Yeah, something right there too. You probably toilet paper. One air conditioner. Vented, or ducted I should say. And this is the bedroom. Bedroom also has a pocket door. It's not a pocket door, but a sliding door. And this bedroom is perfect. Yeah, I like it. Look at all that room. TV goes there, or you can put it on top, or it's not in the way. Drawers. Drawer. These ain't large drawers, but they're not real small drawers either. And then this one is a deeper one. If it does, it's heavy. I don't want to strain myself. Small cabinets here, but they didn't waste that space. And a nice wardrobe here. Yeah, nice. That would be Shelly's. Actually, I like this one too. I really like that right there. And then when you sit down, TV's right in front of you. This is real nice. This is a Flagstaff Classic from Forest River. And at least you have a window over there. This goes to the other side, but nice. Yeah, I like the way the kitchen's set up. It's not a lot of space, but you have all that space there. That's all space. Oh, and you have this underneath the refrigerator. Okay, and when it closes, you still have access. Let me see. Yeah, you just have to squeeze through here. And you still have access to the bathroom, I think. Cool. And there's 2 ACs here. Yes. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.